Sir, I can't comprehend. I just don't hear what you're saying. Can you text me? Text me your name, address, phone number. Okay. I swear he's in India speaking Indian. I don't understand a word he's fucking saying. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes! With Peter Piper, +1. Today is hump day, but today is more than hump day. Today is like Friday. Ain't that right? Today is the day before Thanksgiving, and in the good old US of A, we celebrate Turkey Day on Thursday, which is tomorrow. Oh man, make sure you check out the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor channel, because I am going to live stream my annual deep fried turkey. It's gonna be tits, ladies and gentlemen. It's really gonna be tits. Okay.
Looking to do that.
I think it's time.
You think it's time? In the new day
You know,
and age.
there's only one of these that I've seen before, of this age, and it was my parents' old house.
Well, many.
I remember growing up with it.
Did you?
It's loud.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in East Meadow.
Well, those were like these types of houses. They were all built at the same period of time,
Yes.
I believe, in the 50s.
But one thing to their benefit is it was in the basement.
That was
Yours is the smack in the middle of the house,
well,
on the first floor.
I have a crawl space.
I know you do. I know the neighborhood very well. But you have gas in the house already. I know you have a gas stove.
Right here.
Okay. Where's the gas meter? Oh, your eyes are shifting from left to right.
I think outside.
Let's go look at the gas meter.
Just don't pull it out too far.
Well, the gas meter's not here.
What?
It's not on this side.
Oh, it's in the basement in the crawl space.
It's in the crawl space?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm with the program. I'm technologically a little literate, so just tell me.
Literate or illiterate?
Literate.
Oh, so you're technical. So you like embracing technology?
Yes, I do.
You have an
I like
iPhone?
learning. Of course I do.
Excellent. How come you don't have a Ring doorbell?
I do.
Oh, you do? I didn't notice. Oh, you know what? Because your door was open already. You were waiting. We were early. I was having my breakfast. By the way, the boat, you know that I call it bodega, the place next to the train station, Cold Cut Express.
Yeah.
They finally got that toaster back. You don't want to have an untoasted roll with egg and cheese on it in the morning. You would need a toasted roll.
Oh my goodness.
You know what I'm talking about. See, we're on the same page.
No, I'm with the program, computers and everything, and I do understand the way. I looked, even my dryer stopped working. I looked up YouTube. I know it's the belt. That's another issue. That's not that. That's way.
So you're a YouTuber.
When I have to, but I like to learn.
You use the Google?
All the time.
Yeah, see.
And YouTube, I like to learn.
I love YouTube.
If I told you what I did, you wouldn't believe it at this age. So,
Let's talk about the process.
the process.
It's fairly simple because you already have gas in the house. Okay. Where's the oil tank? Crawl space. In the backyard? Let's go see. So you have a buried oil tank.
It's under the ground.
Okay. There's the vent. There's that. And this is the access into the...
Yes,
this
it's
one?
locked. I keep it locked.
Okay.
If you want to go
But
down,
is that the access into the basement, the crawl
yes,
space? Okay.
Yes, but
okay.
I keep it locked.
Okay. The oil tank they're going to have to abandon.
Who's they?
An oil tank abatement company.
What is that one about?
It's not cheap.
Now, abandon, fill it in, not take it out, just fill
Yeah,
it
they
with sand.
usually they have to excavate a little bit here, and they have to clean it, and they got to fill it with sand or foam. Depending on the size of the tank, justifies the price.
It's $275 tank.
It's still expensive. It could be.
What's
it could be.
expensive?
It could be well over $1,000.
It could be that much to
Put
do
it this way:
that?
in a garage, an oil tank removal is $1,000.
You mean when it's above ground?
Yes, like above ground, on the ground,
And
grade.
do you have a company or someone
Yes.
that you deal with, that
Yes.
you refer me to, that you know,
Yes.
that you like, that you trust? I need
Yes,
trustworthy
correct.
people.
And you'll deal with them directly. Yes. They'll file the permits with Nassau County Department of Health.
How long does that take?
A day.
Nassau
County. Yep. Hey, look how loud that is. She's loud. You know, an excellent candidate for a wall hung. Excellent candidate for a wall hung. Maybe like a Burnham Alta or a Whale McLean.
I understand that there are these little units now,
Yes, there are.
small units.
Well, I'm considering that because you have the storage rack here, which is probably in front of the door.
Usually.
But just imagine, I'm not saying you're going to renovate your kitchen anytime soon, but imagine what you can do with 5 more feet of cabinet space here.
You mean if this was all pushed back?
Imagine you had, where I'm standing, you had all this room back. You could use it. Because realistically, I can give you a small little box that's the size of your garbage can right there, hanging on the wall, and then I'll give you heat and hot water. And it's whisper quiet. Look at her elbow pump.
And what happens to this unit?
You know, there's those places where things die. Not cemeteries, but scrapyards.
No, but who would remove it and who would?
The plumber that you hire.
The plumber for
The job.
what job?
The job. You want to convert to oil to gas.
You don't do that?
No, I'm just saying. I'm saying a plumber that you hire. Could be me. Could be somebody else. You never know. You may not like me. We could date first, and you could say, hey, one night.
You have blue eyes. you now listen. So you're a licensed plumber.
Yes.
Okay. So you would be doing it.
Yes.
Your
If you hire me, or my company, I'll probably be here. I'll probably be here because we'll have tea and biscuits.
The coffee's already made. I set it up at night. Now listen. Your first name was
Peter.
Peter. And you look like Peter Pan.
We have nicknames for all my guys, by the way.
And his name is
Well, it was. We upgraded to Peter Piper.
No, Peter Pan.
Peter Pan. Oh, you're hysterical. We're gonna have a lot of fun together. Hopefully you let me take your money. Okay. This is what happens. I give you a proposal. You say yes. You give me a little bit of money. I come here. I take out the boiler. I put a new boiler on the wall. I do all the piping. I turn it on, and I take the rest of your money. That's the simplest process.
Okay,
but there's a lot of steps in between.
So what's the in between point?
Well, we should file a permit.
You do that?
Yes. You can meet
the village over here? Or
yes.
This
This is the Village of Valley Stream?
Yes. So
Yes.
Bruce Rashbaum works over there. So his wife told me that how long does that take usually?
To get a permit?
Yeah.
Well, normally we don't wait for permits. We just we file it and then we get it done.
How
It could be a couple days, a week, about that. Not long.
So I would have to wait until you get the permit in order to do that. Then
You should.
before you could start the work.
Yes, correct.
Okay, that's the first step.
Yes.
The first step is I give you a check. Then you get the permit. Go on.
Yes.
We're going in order.
Then we do the job, and then we ask for a final inspection.
Who does that?
We do.
Now wait a minute here. So let me understand this. What in here internally are you going to be removing? And do these pipes? Is this the hot water pipe? This is the water?
That's the water main. So this here, this pipe right here,
Yes.
this stays.
And what are these?
Those are water pipes and heating pipes.
So that's what's going to
Those, most of them get replaced and get rerouted.
What is this?
That's a heating pipe.
A heating pipe.
Yep.
Where's that coming from?
It's coming from your radiators and baseboard.
So that's going to remain. You're going to hook.
Well, we're gonna go from here, and then reroute the piping to the boiler that's gonna go on the wall. So some of this is gonna have to stay, right?
Okay.
But the rest of it, everything, the majority of the stuff you see here gets taken out.
So most of the now, what is that to the chimney?
That's the exhaust. Yes, that comes out too.
That does?
Yep.
There's no longer an exhaust?
Well, we're going to utilize the chimney just in different fashion.
But you'll utilize it?
Yes.
You put in a different tube in?
Yes.
So can you show me?
What it looks like? Here's a very good example. I'm also recording a video of what we do. So there's a boiler. Kind of like yours, but not really, right?
It's a little more complex.
A little more complicated. And there's the result. Unit hangs on the wall.
And it utilizes all this piping?
Well, not all of it, because this system is a lot more complicated than yours. This boiler is, 3 zones. You only have 1 zone of heat, so it's a lot less complicated, but similar principle.
So it will be a small box like that?
Yeah, maybe even a little bit smaller.
Will I be able to use the same thermostat that I currently
But I could
have?
change them for you.
That's a black plastic bag, not
Okay.
Here,
Let's go see Peter.
just be careful.
We're going to the abyss. Yep. There's the meter. Oh, 1.5 inches.
How's it look?
Looks good.
Is it smiling?
Is it smiling? No, it's not smiling, but. And the gas goes all the way over there. Okay. We're gonna have to run new gas piping. Yep.
That I know.
All right, Peter. Let's go. Oh, Mikey, after the pipes. All right, so we take all this out, run new gas piping to that corner there, put a piece of plywood on the wall, bust through the chimney, run PVC up there, or maybe even utilize. Let's see what this is about. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Oh, it's just a fresh air. Looks like maybe blocked off. Peter, I don't like to what's they say? I like to count my chickens before they hatch, but there's a check for a couple $1,000 as a deposit on our first Whalen Clay EcoTech. Bow! Do it again. Ready? 1, 2. Gonna go like that. Ready? Do it again. Ah! Getting it done, bitch! Getting it done! I'm looking forward to the EcoTech. Let me order one right now. Oh my God. I can't wait to hug it and fondle it.
Have I ever seen one?
At Blackman, Ferguson. Remember we went to the
right.
training, the steam training with the live fire? Yeah. Tits. All right, stay tuned, guys. Gobble, gobble! Happy Thanksgiving. And make sure you smash that thumbs up button like you're making Thanksgiving Day mashed potatoes. Do it now!